The Tac-Force Speedster Assisted Opening Tactical Knife. This model is available in tactical black or urban camouflage. Very strong aluminum handle scales, open construction for easy cleaning, and a decisive assisted opening mechanism. The blade is extremely sharp with a combination edge and texture here for controlled cuts. The locking mechanism is a liner lock, very sturdy and secure. There is a glass breaker built into the pommel with an integral lanyard hole, a seat belt cutter for rescue work, and another cutter built into the partial tang of the blade. Tac-Force Speedster models from Master Cutlery, fast and effective.